Our next point is elevation in boiling point. This is denoted by delta TB. Elevation in boiling point is also one of the colligative property. Now, how to explain elevation in boiling point as a colligative property? Now, here in a container, pure water is taken. Its vapor pressure is 1 atmosphere at 100 degrees Celsius. Actually, this is boiling point of pure water. In second condition, to the same volume of water, 1 mole of non-volatile solute is added, then vapor pressure of solution drops to 0.75 atmospheres at same temperature. In case of second solution, same volume of water, but here 2 moles of non-volatile solute is added. Now here vapor pressure of solution further decreases to 0.5 atmospheres at same temperature, that is 100 degrees Celsius. So actually this concept we know from relative lowering of vapor pressure. Now see these three cases. Here vapor pressure of pure solvent is 1 atmosphere and boiling point is 100 degrees Celsius. So here vapor pressure of solution is 0.75 atmospheres. That's why this temperature is not called as boiling point of the solution. What is boiling point of a solution? The temperature at which the vapor pressure of a solution is equal to 1 atmosphere is said to be its boiling point. So, to raise this vapor pressure to 1 atmosphere, you have to increase temperature here. For example, at 120 degrees Celsius, vapor pressure of solution becomes 1 atmosphere. Then this temperature is called boiling point of that solution. Vapor pressure of pure solvent is more than vapor pressure of solution at a given temperature. To get 1 atmosphere pressure here, you are increasing temperature. That means boiling point of water is 100 degrees Celsius and boiling point of its solution is greater than 100 degrees Celsius. Now two relations I will write. P naught is greater than Ps here, but T naught is less than T1. What is T naught here? This is boiling point of pure water. What is T1? Boiling point of solution. Due to the addition of non-volatile solute, vapor pressure of solution decreases. That's why boiling point increases. The increase in the boiling point of solution is called elevation in boiling point. That we can write as elevation in boiling point delta TB is equal to T1 minus T naught. Here T1 is boiling point of solution and T naught is boiling point of pure water, that is pure solvent. Come to second solution here. Now compare these two. Here boiling point of water is 100 degrees Celsius, vapor pressure is 1 atmosphere. But in this solution, number of moles of solute is more when compared to first solution. That's why vapor pressure of solution further decreased to 0.5. That's why this 100 degrees Celsius is not called as its boiling point. So, to increase vapor pressure of solution to 1 atmosphere, here you have to increase temperature. That means boiling point of this solution is, for example, 140 degrees. Why this boiling point is more than first solution and pure solvent? Here amount of solute is more. That means as number of particles of solute increases, vapor pressure of solution decreases, but elevation in boiling point increases. This we can write as, here P naught is greater than Ps, T1 is greater than T naught. That means this is boiling point of solution and this is boiling point of pure solvent. Now here final expression is delta Tb is equal to T1 minus T naught. Instead of T1 we can write Tb also, that is nothing but boiling point of solution. As number of particles of solute increases, boiling point of solution increases, elevation in boiling point also increases. That means both boiling point of solution and elevation in boiling point are directly proportional to number of particles of solute. Now here we can show this concept by taking a simple graph also. Now here that graph is here, this is vapor pressure and this is boiling point. Now initially I am taking, this is P naught. Up to this particular mark, this is 1 atmosphere. Now that means this is vapor pressure of pure solvent and it reaches 1 atmosphere at a particular temperature called boiling point of pure solvent. Now if you take any solution, then curve is like this. Here this is written as vapor pressure of solution. As you are increasing temperature, vapor pressure of solution increases and it reaches 1 atmosphere at a temperature which is greater than boiling point of solvent. See this difference. This difference is called elevation in boiling point. Here vapor pressure of pure component reaches 1 atmosphere at this temperature. Vapor pressure of solution reaches 1 atmosphere at more than that temperature, that is Tb. The difference between Tb to T naught is called elevation in boiling point. The elevation in boiling point is directly proportional to concentration of the given solution. Here concentration is molality. Now delta Tb is equal to Kb into molality. What is Kb here? Kb is nothing but molal elevation constant. What is molal elevation constant? If molality of the solution is 1 mole per kg, then delta TB is equal to Kb. That's why Kb is called molar elevation constant. This is also called as ebullioscopic constant. Now we can expand this formula. Delta TB is equal to TB minus T naught, that is equal to Kb into molality. Here we can write Kb into, what is the formula for molality? W1 by M1 into 1000 by weight of solvent in grams. Now I will expand this formula. Delta TB is equal to TB minus T naught, that is equal to Kb into W1 by M1 into 1000 by W2. In this formula, delta TB is elevation in boiling point, TB is boiling point of solution, T naught is boiling point of pure solvent, Kb is molar elevation constant, W1 is weight of solute, M1 is molar mass of the solute, and W2 is weight of solvent.